here's the Amazon Echo Show 5. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is go ahead and plug in your AC adapter here. So we're going to go ahead and plug this into the back of the show, right there. You have your mic button here, volume down, volume up. You have your camera off and on. You can see right there. Okay. Now I'm going to plug this in to my wall outlet. After you plug it in, give it like 5 seconds. It should start booting up. Let me lower this volume down. Getting your device ready. This may take a moment. Now I bought this on Amazon.com, and there's a check mark where you can keep all your registered information, like your Wi-Fi saved and whatnot. Okay, so it already knows me here, so I can agree and continue. If this is not you that says it up here, then click on no, and you have to do the whole shebang, put in your Wi-Fi email or your Wi-Fi password and all that. Okay, but it already has my name on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and agree, continue right from here. Let's read that, continue. Time zone, I'm in Los Angeles here, Pacific time. So this is correct, so I'm just going to tap on continue for me. And it says here, Alexa can give you local weather, traffic, and more. The addresses below are your current Amazon.com address book. Okay, so below that is my address if I want to have like accurate local weather and stuff like that for information. Okay, so it has my address on here. I'm just going to tap on continue. Give your Echo Show a name. So they give you a default one. You can go ahead and just tap it and make a new one, but I'm just going to keep it as is. That's fine. I'll tap on continue. Where is this Echo Show 5 going to be located? You can tap down here and you can scroll down and see all the other locations. I'm fine with just leave it on main room, and I'll tap on continue. Choose your clock and photo display. You can do Amazon Photos, or you can pick one of these here. I'm just going to I'll just choose Wild Earth, continue. Your appointments, their reminders, everyone's Alexa. Go ahead and read through that. You can set up profiles for you and each one of your family members and so on, okay? But for me, I'm just going to tap on later. Echo Show can help you monitor your home, okay? So this is kind of important. All members of your household, allow members of your household to live stream, basically see what's going on in the camera when it's in your house somewhere at any time, okay? So if you want family members to access the camera anytime, then go ahead and tap on enable, okay? But for me, I'm going to go not now, and I can always enable it later as well. Amazon Sidewalk here, go ahead and read through that. And if you need it, turn it on. For myself, I don't, so Sidekick off. You want to make this device kids-friendly with Amazon Kids? Yes or no? For me, no. Amazon Music, some kind of free trial here. I'm going to click on no thanks. There's another free trial here. I don't need it. I'll tap on no thanks.
This device is ready.
And there we go. Should be all set up. Alexa, what's tomorrow's forecast?
Tomorrow in Monrovia, you'll see lots of sun and can expect a high of 88 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 62 degrees.
Anyway, there you guys go. Pretty simple.